In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to secure and lock any folder with admin password on Windows. Is a step-by-step tutorial guide. So let's. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Windows. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to simply lock a file folder with an admin password on Windows laptop. Alright, so we are going to use this particular file folder as an example. You'll notice that there was no lock in this particular file folder. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is to right click on the file folder that you want to lock with your admin password. Then the next thing you want to do is to navigate to property. So click on properties. Then this window is going to pop up. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to advanced. Then this is going to pop up. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you check this, and then you make sure you encrypt content to secure data. Click on that, then hit on OK. Alright, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on apply. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on apply changes to this folder only. Then make sure you click on OK. Finally, come down below here and click on OK. So by the time you come back here, you see that we have a lock on this particular folder. So if you want to unlock it, you can simply right click back, then go to file ownership, then go to personal, then it's going to be unlocked. It's as simple as that. So this is how to lock a file folder with your admin password in Windows laptop, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tricks and tips and tricks about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.